I'm Joost and I'm here with the Timnut Action Cam.
So this thing is 4K obviously, it has Wi-Fi, so you can connect this to your phone to remote control it or to transfer files from the device to your phone. So that's pretty handy. It's 20 megapixels and it has a 170-degree wide angle. So it's pretty like this fish lensy type of look. It's of course waterproof, and this case is also pretty sturdy, so it can really stand up to some heavy banging. You get 2 batteries for it and 1 charger. You can put both batteries in at the same time, so you never run out. And it has an LCD display, so you can watch what you're filming and also watch back your shots, of course. You can set this to 4K in 30 frames per second, 2.7K for 30 frames per second, 1080p at 60 frames per second, or 720p at 120 frames per second. And you have some cool additional features. You can do a loop recording, slow motion photography, the driving mode, image flipping and time-lapse video, and you can change the exposure here on it, the white balance, and a lot of settings here, so you can make the image even better.
Okay, so I've plugged in my microphone right here. So let's attach that to my sweater. So I have the microphone right here, and then I should be able to activate the apex with this clicker. So let's start a recording right now. So as you can see, here is my work studio, my light and my camera I'm recording from right now. And as you can see, it's really 4K high definition, and this is a great little camera right here.
Hi! As you can hear, it isn't as good as my studio mic, but that's a professional mic for recording really close. And this thing really does a pretty good job of recording my voice right here.
So that's a beautiful image. Look at that. And the sound quality is pretty good. It's not as good as my microphone right here, because that's my studio mic, but it's still pretty good. So as you can see, this camera is really easy to use, and you can see the flashing light that is in use. You have the waterproof casing, which is pretty great.
Now, the waterproof casing is obviously very cool, and you can open this by opening the clip and clicking that back, and from the back of the screen, so we can start using this. So this is really tiny, it's really light, and it feels cool because it has a ribbed top here. Oh, here's the battery. There's a battery, and it's nice to have the extra battery that we can use in it as well. So here's the slot for the micro SD card. So let's start inserting that. So you can easily insert a micro SD here. I have this mini SD card and a micro SD card that fits in it. So now I can click that in. So that should be able to work. The cool thing is you can immediately attach this to any screw wire for standard camera settings. So I have like this dolly here with a phone stand. So you can really instantly use this with any camera stands that you already have. You also have this clip to attach it to phone stands. Now let's turn that on.
Now you have all these different straps and attachments that you can attach this to just about anything with. For example, you can take 2 of these straps and attach this to your bike helmet, for example, and maybe have some extra tape here to really fasten that. But let's put this thing back in here in its case. So right here, and you can seal it again by using this clamp. So that's really tight. And then let's attach this to this one, stick in the pin. I'm going to attach this to my arm today, so I can take some shots from outside when I'm cycling. I have this new electric bike that I was going to try out. So this is really cool. So I get one of these straps. So let's get that all the way through here. So it's nice and tight. And I can put this strap around my arm. So it's nice and tight. And now I can put that strap around my arm. Tighten that some more. Okay, so let's shoot some footage. So with all of these features and ease of use, I really recommend this action cam for anyone looking to get into action cameras.